must fight. It's caught in the...
What is up, folks? True Bang Easy back here. Today I am in Chesapeake, Virginia at a place called Warrior's Grill. If you saw one of my older videos for Genghis Khan, Mongolian BBQ, and you like that one, this one is pretty much the same thing. This one is, they have two different locations, one in Chesapeake, one in Virginia Beach. This is sort of like the second go-to. Of course, the Mongolian BBQ, that just has a little bit of nostalgia to me because I've been there since I was a little kid, but this place is great as well, and we're going to go ahead and show it to you. So stay tuned. I'm going to head up there to the bar right now, go ahead and show it to you, and let you check it out. Alright, so you come over here, you grab yourself a bowl. Then we've got all the fixings here. We've got your noodles, your tomatoes, got some celery, onions, green onions, peppers, cabbage. And you come around the corner here, got some more veggies. Got some more cabbage here. We got carrots, mushrooms, broccoli. We got some squash, some spring onions. And then here's the meat station. Pork, chicken, beef, dark chicken. During dinner times, they have lamb and imitation crab. Then you got your sauces, a whole bunch of different sauces here. They recommend doing 1 scoop of each for the best taste. So you come around here and then you hand it off to the grill right there, and then they cook it. So we're gonna grab ourselves a bowl and chow down. Alright, here's my plate here. I got some beef, chicken, pork, got some mushrooms, onions, some scallions, of course the noodles, that's what makes it, and then one of the sauces and a bunch of the hot stuff. So I like it kind of hot. We're using cake on the hot stuff there. You can get soup as well as rice, but I normally don't do that. I usually just get the bread, sesame bread. Stuff is really good for scooping, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm going to go ahead and dig in here. Alright, go ahead and dig in here. Check this out. Let's get some of these noodles on this plate. Spin it on. Alright, let's get some meat on there. Check that out. Nice and hot and fresh. It's absolutely delicious. You've never had this type of food, this cuisine. You gotta try it. It is awesome. Like I said before, it's right there. Meat, vegetables, some noodles. You don't have to get the noodles. You don't have to get the meat. You get whatever you want in a combination. One of my favorite things to do is bread. Scoop up some over here. There's one there. Sesame bread. Here's all you can eat. Look fresh right in front of you. They have a couple of locations. They have this one here, which is off the battlefield, which is off the Great Neck. There used to be another one. It was another company, DW's. They were another Mongolian barbecue place. They closed down, I think, due to COVID. So it's pretty much these guys and Genghis Khan. And then you also have some Chinese buffets that sort of try to recreate it a little bit. And they do kind of a good job, but if you're looking for the real deal, you've got to come to one of these places that just serve this. You can get whatever combination of sausage you want, right? If you don't like it spicy, don't get it spicy. If you like it spicy, get a whole bunch of spicy. Whatever you want, any combination of the vegetables, of the meat, the noodles. Don't get them if you're a vegetarian. You know, just get the vegetables. If you're not into vegetables, just get the meat. If you're on keto, you know, get rid of the noodles. I actually was on keto for a while. I know it doesn't look like it, but I came here quite a bit because I could just get rid of the noodles and I could just eat the meat, you know, some of the vegetables, of course, because some are not keto friendly. But it was great. I wasn't able, you know, didn't have to slow on what I wanted to eat. I think the one thing I wish they would put up there is what I see a lot of Chinese buffets do. They'll put eggs on there so you can get like an egg with it, kind of mixed in, or jalapenos. I'd love to see jalapenos up there. When I was working up in Washington State, I used to go to called the Hot Iron Grill, and that place was pretty. They had a whole bunch of crazy stuff you could put there. They had like fish and tofu, lots of different toppings to put there. Now there is a Chinese buffet in the area. I think it's really close. It's almost the same thing as this. It's actually one of the best Chinese buffets in the area. I usually tell everybody to go there. I took a work friend there, and he said he's coming here. He's going there every Sunday. Day I took it. So, I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing that video. Go ahead and comment, like down below. We'll be interested in seeing that. Maybe I can get out there one day. This place is normally getting very, very busy around lunchtime because it's pretty quick. You know, bite to eat and come in here and get excellent food really quickly, pretty cheap. I think it's something like $16, $17 with a drink. Yeah, lunch around 12, 1 o'clock. It's usually pretty packed in here. The line for the grill will be around the grill, but it moves pretty quickly. We usually have a couple people up there cooking it. I'm gonna go